VW Golf, GTI, and R key fobs typically use a CR2323 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. To open the fob, hold it with the VW logo facing down. Insert a flat screwdriver or key blade into the small notch and gently twist to separate the halves. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, remove the old battery and replace it with a new CR2032, ensuring the polarity is correct. Remember to wear gloves to avoid transferring skin oils to the electronic components. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. If your remote isn't working after battery replacement, first test the new battery with a multimeter to ensure it reads above 2.5 volts. Clean the battery contacts with rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or corrosion that might interfere with the connection. If the issue persists, resync the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds while near the vehicle, or by using the car's key slot. For 2023 and newer models, check the MIVW app for battery status and potential software glitches. If problems continue, consult your owner's manual or visit a VW service center for further assistance.